What is up, my dogs? Lawson here. It's about 6 in the afternoon. Sun's gonna be going down quite shortly, but we're gonna see if we can catch us a few snapper for a catch and cook before the sun goes down. Maybe a little bit in the dark here, but I just want to catch even 1 or 2 snapper. That's it, and we'll bring them home and we'll cook them up tomorrow morning. We'll bring them home. We'll cook them up tomorrow afternoon for lunch. That is the game plan. If you watch my videos, you know I don't do a ton of catch and cooks. I rarely ever even keep fish. Getting to kind of value the more I began to understand, and I've been having like a huge desire to get more into hunting, but you know, in a very responsible manner. So we're gonna see if we can catch a few snapper. Mangy. I don't know if you can see me or not because it is just about completely dark out, but I think we are gonna try to catch maybe some finger mullet and see what we can do with that, and do a little bit of like nighttime bottom fishing and snapper fishing around some bridges and passes. That's the game plan. Oh my gosh. I just hooked snook on back-to-back casts on 2 different lights, like one there, boom, he spit it instantly, and then just flicked over the right one and one came up and ate it. I'm using a really light leader. Oh gosh, he literally just popped right out. First snook of the night right there, just a little 16-incher. That thing had some fight in him. All right, dude, I am a little more fired up right now. That is a little fish, but we're moving in the right direction. The fish seem to be chewing. There's another one. Oh, hello, sir. Moon pie. That little alien right there is a moonfish. Oh my gosh, there's like 5,000 mullet next to my boat. Watch, I gotta catch bait. Like, I mean, there's so much mullet in the water around my boat, you feel like you could walk on it. Multiple mullet, 3 different mullet just jumped into my boat. This is absolutely insane. My God, this is absolute insanity. There's a fish. First cast on a swim bait. Little snook, but he is little snook, but he is a perfect little guy. We're gonna just toss him over. That was very interesting. I'd thrown the topwater up because all these mullet are getting hammered on the surface. So I think, okay, let me throw a topwater in there. It just wouldn't get touched. First cast on a swim bait, hammered. There it is. God, so good. There's a fish again. Woo. What up? Little. Is it Landon? Yeah, I do remember you. What's happening? I technically landed that fish and he just slid off the backside, but that's okay. All I'm doing right now is I'm just making super long parallel casts to the shadow line and just burn, God, it's got hair right there. Burning a swim bait across the shadow line here. Oh, right there. It's working. Another little one, but oh man, this is nuts. He ain't that little. Good freaking Lord. There's a big fish in here, dude. I mean, I'm sure there's tons of them, but there's one particularly that keeps crunching. I'm gonna drop back the extra live target mullet right here. Oh my God. He's got eaten. There it is. Woo! Dropped the mullet back in there and was just letting it feed back, and all of a sudden just goes boom and just starts dumping out line on me. I don't think he's any bigger than the ones I've been catching on artificial, but cool to catch him a bunch of different ways tonight. I've caught a snook on an artificial shrimp. I've caught 3 on swim baits, 1 on live mullet now. That is fish number 6 of the night? I have no idea. Awesome. None of them have been big yet, but oh, this is ridiculous. There's one. Get around the corner. Little guy. Good Lord, why are you eating a 5-inch swim bait, dude? I think it's probably one of the smaller snooks I've hooked, but I just hooked them super far away and now it's wrapped me around this piling back here. How are you doing this to me? Legitimately the smallest fish of the night, and he was the one that has come closest to breaking me off. Better one, I think. Dude, I don't even know how many snook I've caught tonight at this point. I'm sure hell glad we're not snapper fishing right now. And another one. That could be better. Oh. Yeah, that's a better one. Oh. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Oh.
How big was it?
It was like probably like 28.
Dang.
All right, the tide is like starting to slow down, and it has slowed down noticeably, but there's still fish blowing up every 5 seconds, and it's still a war zone. Tonight has been one of the most like ridiculous bites I've like seen in a long time, just non-stop going off. I've literally been having mullet get blown inside my boat by snook. It just super cool. I'm tempted to stay and almost fish the other half of the tide, like, but I'd be out here all night, and if I wasn't doing this 30-day challenge thing, I probably would, but I need to get up tomorrow, which is in like 6 hours, and go fish anyways. So I'm gonna close out here with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a like, make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, 30-day challenge rolling right along. I appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time, see you.